Hey, yo. You think today? Here we are. Oh, ain't that pretty? Even Tiny Bud approves. She's in there yapping. Look at that. That's just in less than an hour. Yeah. Yep. It's supposed to snow until later on tonight sometime. So I helped Leslie get her rig hooked up because she's parked on the dirt, which turns to mud pretty quick. So got me all hooked up, got her hooked up, got her up here where you most likely won't get stuck because it's gravel. Yeah. All right. Well, that's what we're dealing with today. Ain't that pretty? Catch y'all later. Flagstaff, Arizona. Woohoo!